Hey guys, good morning. It's Ange, and I'm back with your weekly roundup for Saturday, April the 19th for Dollar General. Now, we did get a few new deals this week, so I just wanted to go ahead and throw them in there. And I didn't make a screenshot for it, but we did get back the $4 off when you spend $14 on the Mountain Dew. So now, don't forget to take advantage of that deal this weekend. Now, one thing that we did get is this 50% off when you buy one on the Cheetos. Not a whole lot, but every penny counts. Now, these are on sale. Buy one, get one half off. You're going to grab two. You're going to pay $7.42, and you're going to get back $1 in DG cash back. Now, we also got this 5 off whenever you spend $25 on select Always, Tampax, or Always Discreet products. Now, I do have one deal here. However, the 5 off 25 will not stick at a new system, so just be aware you'll need to add an additional $5 in products. But however, you're going to grab two of the $9.50 products. They're on sale, 2 for $18. You're going to grab one of the $5.75 products, one of the liners at $1.25. Now, this one is assuming that you have that $1.75 off of one Always coupon. And you have your 5 off 25 Always clipped. You're going to pay $18.25. You're going to get back $3 in DG cash. Now, if you're going to do this deal and you want to use Ibotta instead, they have $2 cash back. So that would actually be a lot better. You would get back $4 for this deal. However, if you have an old system, it will come off. Now, for our second example, you're going to grab 4 packs at the $9.50 price. Your subtotal is going to be $36. You're going to use your 5 off 25 for Saturday, your 5 off 25 for Always, that $1.75 off one Always. If you have it, you're going to pay $24.25. You're going to get back $4.50 in DG cash, and you're going to get back $2 from Ibotta, making your net out of pocket $17.75. Now, the next cashback offer that I found that I thought maybe you guys would be interested in is the VitaFusion Melatonin Gummies. Yes, these things are miracle workers. Now, they are $5.50. Work these into your 5 off 25 and you'll get $3 cash back. Now we're going to go ahead and bring in our cheat sheet for you guys to go ahead and grab you a screenshot of for your deals today. Now, don't forget, there is a link to our printable doc in the description box below the video, as well as on the 5 off 25 post on our website. That will be linked as well below, as well as our 5 off 25 video. If you need Ibotta or Fetch, either one, we'll have referral links for those down there for you too. Now, I did see a couple of deals that maybe you guys would be interested in for early activation for this evening after 7 o'clock Eastern. Now, the Dr. Pepper 7-Up are on sale this week, 3 for $15. However, next week they're going to be 3 for $13. So that means you can save an additional $2 by waiting until after 7. Now, this $2 off when you buy 3 does expire tomorrow, so go ahead and get that double dip going, guys. Don't forget, only after 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, the Scott has an instant savings of save $4 when you spend $20. The 12-pack of Scott are also on sale this week for $4.75. So, to err on the side of caution, I worked up this little deal here for you to use as an example, and I went ahead and grabbed 3 of the 12-pack of Scott tissue and 1 of the $7 packs of the paper towels. Now, you're going to use both of the coupons that you see here, 1 off on the paper towels and 1 off on the tissue, and your out-of-pocket is going to be $15.25. Now, don't forget to submit that to Fetch Rewards, because you know we always get extra points. Now, we're moving on to our deals for this week, and we actually have some pretty good ones. Now, I did not update the 4 off 14. However, we did get another one, so I went ahead and included that. You're going to grab 3 of the Mountain Dew 12 packs, and you're going to pay just $7. Next, we have the 2 Klondikes. They are on sale, 2 for $8. We've got this $2 off when you buy 2 coupon, making them just $6. The Maxwell House coffee is $9.75. Use this $2.50 off 1 and pay just $7.25. Next, we have the Degree Whole Body Deodorant. It has this $4 off 1, making it just $5 out of pocket. We have $2 off of 1 on the Purex, the $10 jug of detergent, making it just $8. This also has a Fetch reward on it, so if you buy this, don't forget to scan that in. Hellmann's mayonnaise is $5.50. Now we have this $3 off 1, which will make it just $2.50. And everybody's favorite part of the video, the fillers. These are low out of pocket or high savings items that you can use to finish out your deals. We have this Tums. It is $3.25. We got $1.50 off 1, making your cost just $1.75. We also have the Garnier. Now, you have that $3 off 2 manufacturer and the 3 off 2 store coupon, making them just $2. We also have this 8-count Alka-Seltzer tubes. They are $2. We got $1.50 off 1, making them just 50 cents. We also got the Advanced Warmer, $4 off of 1, making it completely free. And don't forget, it will adjust down at new systems. The Palmolive is $2.75. We have $1 off 1, making it $1.75. Always a good one. Here's another really good filler item. Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleaner has $1 off 1, making it just $1.75. The Small Spaces is $3.25. We have the $2.30 off of 1, making it just 95 cents. We also have this $2 off 1, which is applied to the Press Pro Health for $3, making it just $1. And we have this $2.50 off on the Febreze plug, making it just $1. Now, one free and easy way that you can help to support us is to like, comment, or share with a friend. Help them save some money too. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already. Please make sure that you're following us on our Telegram channel as well as in our Facebook group, so that way you can ask questions if you have any. Now, we want to remind you, share your hauls, stay safe, and have fun out there today, you guys. Later.